Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and I am here. It's Sunday. I'm going to get my week of groceries. You know the drill. Next weekend is Super Bowl, so I'm getting snacks to have for the big game. I don't care about the game. I care about snacking. I'm also going to get my week of meals. I'm also hoping to get the heart pajamas, and usually around Super Bowl, Aldi has the Queso Blanco, like the white Velveeta. They're off-brand, which is so much cheaper than when I buy it at Walmart, so I'm hoping I can stock up on a few of those. Let's see if luck is on my side today. Okay, first up on my list is dry roasted peanuts for Chex Mix, $1.75. Okay, I'm going to get the family size white cheddar baked cheese crackers. They're $2.99. My husband will use these in his Chex Mix and for the girls' lunches this week. I want these, but I can't pay that price. It just seems overpriced to me, but I bet it's absolutely delicious. We wanted oyster crackers for Chex Mix, but they're gone. But I am going to get pita crackers, garlic and chive for $1.99. We don't always have cinnamon. They're my son's favorite, $2.89. Okay, so far no Queso Blanco, but maybe in the Aldi Finds aisle. Okay, there are lots of red stickers and bread, so I'm going to get the $2 off ciabatta rolls, $2.55. I'm actually going to get both of them. They'll go right in my freezer. There's a bunch of sourdough. I'm not going to get them. But I'll get these 2 Italian loaves too. Actually, I'll get 3. $1 off. Makes them $1.99 instead. And then I'll be stocked on bread for a while. I'm also going to get a baguette for charcuterie for $1.69. 87 cents for white bread. And no one liked my healthy bread last week, FYI. 40 cents a pound for bananas. This bunch looks pretty good. I'm going to get 3 things of strawberries at $1.99 and 1 of blueberries at $2.69. I'm going to get 2 cucumbers. I'm making an Asian cucumber salad, 55 cents a piece, and $2.49 for mini ones for my daughter's lunches. They must have an overstock of lettuce. I keep getting discounts. $1.99, yay. Okay, $3.49. I'm getting a bag of Granny Smith apples. Easiest side ever. Apples. Last week you guys made fun of me calling this white milk. I meant 2%. My 5-year-old calls it white or chocolate milk, and it's $2.50. I don't think I've ever paid this much for a gallon of 2% milk. A thing of sour cream to make French onion dip with the French onion soup mix, 99 cents. For the Super Bowl, of course. We already have chips at home. And then $2.25 for spread butter. Also $1.89 for a pound of pork sausage for when I make chili. I actually have enough potatoes to make potato skins, but that's one of our meal plan, or that's on our Super Bowl menu. I need 2 cans of diced tomatoes for my chili, 64 cents a piece, 2 cans of kidney beans, 58 cents a piece, and 2 cans of pinto beans. Oh wait, 1 can of the giant pinto beans, $1.09. And I need 4 cans of the tomato sauce at 31 cents a piece, all for the chili. I need celery for the chili, $1.39. And peaches. My kids really have been loving these, 98 cents. So I'm going to get 2 cans. And I just open it up and I eat it with a meal. My daughter actually asked me to get peaches for her lunch. And I'm going to grab 2 of these at $1.69 a piece because they are in juice, which I like. Okay, my husband loves this for PB&J's, $2.45. Also, $2.29. I need some green peppers. My kids will eat these in their lunch and also for my chili. I'm getting garlic stuffed olives. Elsie requested this for the Super Bowl. Also, we're having a charcuterie dinner this week, so we'll have the olives then as well. And $2.99. I'm going to get a couple jars of these pickles because they don't always have them. For the potato skins I'm making, I'm going to get a bag of, it doesn't want to come with me. I'm going to get a bag of real bacon bits, $1.35. Okay, $1.32. I'm getting a bag of mini pretzels for my husband to make his Chex Mix. Jeez, I couldn't get that out. Also, I'm going to get a bag of the pub pretzels just in case they want another snack, depending on if family comes over for the Super Bowl, $1.99. I was going to buy the Millville buttermilk pancake mix, but they don't have it, so I'm going to get Hungry Jack at $2.10. Pancakes are on the list. My 10-year-old Elsie requested that for a dinner this week. I want more granola. My son and I ate that last week, but I'm going to go back to one with raisins. They still took my favorite one away, but this is $1.99. Delicious. Okay, a box of rice Chex for Chex Mix, of course, $1.99. And crispy oats, $1.15, both for Chex Mix. And then my son loves these for breakfast. $2.45 for lime juice. I always have this on hand, and I ran out last week. I almost forgot buttered popcorn, $1.95. Well, they don't have the Aldi brand, but $2.36 for Mott's apple juice. I love these mega bakeware sets. It takes up the whole oven. I think they're great, but I actually have some like this. I don't need them. Giant pet beds. My cats would love them. $1.69, a lot of fresh melts. This one smells good. I'm going to get this one for my house. They're starting to discount some of the winter apparel. Lots of it left here. And I see what I'm looking for. I thought these are the pajamas, but they're the matching leggings. That is not what I'm looking for. Leggings, the diffusers, warmer sets. All the organization stuff, meal prep. Looks like a lot of this stuff is left. I don't see a lot of new stuff, and I definitely don't see the Valentine jammies, which is a bummer. But you can see a lot of our stuff is getting discounted, especially the toys. So I ran out of rice for one of my meals last week, so it got bumped to this week. The Korean beef. I had rice on 2 meals, and I only had enough for one, so I need more rice, $4.95. I love this stuff. And I just see this. All these ramen noodles, pho noodles, different broth, sauces. I buy that, and I love it. When I make chili, I'm also going to make spaghetti on the side because not everyone will eat the spaghetti, or not everyone will eat the chili, but they can have spaghetti, $1.39. Beef broth for chili, $1.25. Okay. So this is half price, so that's the beef I'm getting for my chili. Yay. I'm getting provolone for at-home Jimmy John's subs, so $1.59. I don't buy this often, and it had to have gone up in price. I can't remember what it was, but $4.95, this amazing chicken salad. I'm going to use this for my subs. This Italian dry spicy salami, $6.09. We're going to have this for subs, and then that's why we're having charcuterie. It's because this is enough meat for both of those and more. They have protein ice cream, lava cakes, ice cream, different pizzas. I'm going to get these strawberries for $3.09 for strawberry sauce for pancakes. They have original meatballs and turkey meatballs, pot stickers. I love their fusion stir fries. We just don't need any this week. Look, the last one. I think I'm going to get it just because I bought one last week in case they didn't have it this week, but it's so good. $3.99. Again, that's a Super Bowl snack for us. Avocado chunks, pepper jack pretzel bites, ravioli, seafood, which we don't eat because I'm a baby and won't try it, and then all the different wings. They only have LaCroix in cans, so I'm going to skip the canned water, but I'm going to get about 5 of these at 57 cents a piece. I'm going to get steamable broccoli, 89 cents just for a side, and cauliflower rice, $1.95 for a side with a Korean beef. I thought we usually had mini corn dogs, but they don't have any, so I'm going to not have those at our Super Bowl party. Good thing I got more of the bagel ones. You guys, I predicted it last week. Look, they're from $80 to $27.99. So it looks like we don't have the queso blanco at my Aldi, which is unfortunate, but I'll survive. I didn't even have it actually on the meal plan for Super Bowl, but I did want to buy it. I did also want to get this for Jimmy John's subs night, $2.29. Okay, so here is my entire cart. Any guesses on the total? Okay, my total was $127.50. The meal plan for the week, we're gonna have pancakes, strawberry sauce, and then I have frozen sausage patties. Pancakes were Elsie's request. I'm gonna make homemade Jimmy John's subs. So basically I go to Jimmy John's, I buy their day-old bread. We have provolone, meat, and then all the toppings you could wish. I'm gonna make some Korean or Asian cucumbers. It depends on what recipe you look at, what you call it. I'm gonna make those. We'll have those, we'll have the lettuce cut chips with those. I have been having Korean beef on my list last week. I bought the beef the week before. It's in my freezer now, but I'm going to make it this week with broccoli and rice. I'm going to make a copycat chilies recipe, and then we'll have spaghetti noodles for those of us that don't want chili. Elsie and I love the chili. I'm going to make it early in the week so she can have it for her school lunches. That's how much she likes it. Because I'm already buying salami, I'm using it for charcuterie. We still have crackers from Christmas time to use up. I have different spreads. It'll be an easy dinner with the baguette. And then on Super Bowl Sunday, we're going to have my in-laws over. I'm sure they'll bring some snacks. I'm going to make homemade churros using the Aldi churro maker. We're going to have chips and French onion dip, everything, bagel bites. I bought 2 boxes of those. My husband's going to make Chex Mix. We'll probably just have some berries cut up. Super simple, very snacky. And then we'll also have a leftover night with these meals up here. So this is my meal plan for the week. If I use a recipe, I will link it below. And then I did get a sneak peek ad. Would you guys like me to start going live again on Tuesday? It got really hectic with the holidays and then COVID hit our house, but I can do it again. Let me know. If you want to see how I make a copycat Wendy's chili, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and ciao.